Hello students, we are going to discuss about latent heat calculation. First problem, calculate heat to be transferred to a liquid stream of ethanol at its normal boiling point to generate 100 kg per hour of saturated ethanol vapor. Are you clear or not? Okay. Objective of this problem, heat to be transferred, that is capital Q. So this problem, the phase change from liquid to vapor. So this is the phase change operation problem. So this is vaporization problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. So data are given. Latent heat of vaporization of ethanol is given. So 842.3 kilojoule per kg. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here what is latent heat? Latent heat is nothing but energy absorbed or released by a substance during a change in its physical state that occurs without changing its temperature. That is called latent heat. So it is denoted as lambda. Are you clear or not? Okay. So unit of latent heat kilojoule per kg. For this case, latent heat of vaporization of ethanol is given. Why? Because so this is phase change from liquid to vapor. Are you clear or not? Okay. So solution part, first you should write basis of this problem. So what is the basis? 100 kg per hour of saturated ethanol vapor. Are you clear or not? Okay. So from this case, capital Q is the objective of this problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the capital Q formula m dot v into lambda v. Why? Because the phase change from liquid to vapor. Are you clear or not? Okay. For this case, so what is the m dot v value? This is a given data 100 kg per hour. Are you clear? Okay. So what about the lambda? This is also given data lambda v 842.3 kilojoule per kg. Are you clear? Okay. So substitute this value, find out capital Q. So this is the capital Q. Capital Q is equal to m dot v into lambda v. Finally we get 84230 kilojoule per hour. Are you clear or not? Okay. So once you want kilojoule per second, what do you do here? So kilojoule per hour is converted into kilojoule per second. 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Are you clear or not? Okay. So use this relation, convert from hour to second. Are you clear? Okay. So here what do you do? So the hour is a denominator. So divided by 3600. Finally we get 23.38 kilojoule per second. So what is the relation kilojoule per second and kilowatt? 1 kilojoule per second is equal to 1 kilowatt. So use this relation. Finally we get in terms of kilowatt capital Q value. Are you clear or not? Okay. So 1 kilojoule per second is equal to 1 kilowatt. So finally we have 23.38 kilojoule per second, that is equal to 23.38 kilowatt. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the solution of this problem. So that is capital Q or heat transfer value. Are you clear or not? Okay. Second problem, 100 kg per hour of methanol liquid at a temperature of 303 Kelvin is obtained by removing heat from saturated methanol vapor. Are you clear or not? Okay. So find the amount of heat to be removed in this case. Data, boiling point of methanol 337.8 Kelvin, latent heat of condensation of methanol 1101.7 kilojoule per kg. Specific heat of methanol 2.7235 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Are you clear or not? Okay. So these are the data are given. So what is this problem? So this problem, so the phase change operation, phase change from vapor to liquid. Are you clear or not? Okay, so this is the condensation problem. Why? Because the phase change from vapor to liquid. Are you clear? Okay, so this is the condensation. So objective of this problem, so determine capital Q value, that is a heat or amount of heat, that is capital Q value. Are you clear or not? Okay, so the what you do here, first you should write basis of this problem 100 kg per hour of liquid methanol. So for this case, capital Q is equal to m dot into lambda plus m dot c into Tb minus T. So the what is a m dot here? M dot is the mass flow rate, that is given data 100 kg per hour. Are you clear or not? Okay, so what is a lambda? Lambda is a latent heat of condensation. Why? Because the phase change from vapor to liquid. So this is also given data 1101.7 kilojoule per kg. Are you clear or not? Okay, so what about the C value here? So the C is a specific heat of methanol. This data also given in our problem 2.7235 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Are you clear or not? Okay, so then what is a Tb value? So the Tb is a boiling point of methanol, 337.8 Kelvin. So what about the T here? The T values are liquid temperature. So the liquid temperature also given. So liquid temperature 303 Kelvin. Finally we get, so in terms of kilojoule per hour, 119,647.78 kilojoule per hour. Are you clear or not? Okay, so this is the capital Q or amount of heat value. So if you want a kilojoule per second, what do you do here? 1 kilojoule per hour is converted into 1 kilojoule per second. Are you clear? Okay, so this is the unit conversion. 1 kilojoule per hour is equal to 1 kilojoule per second. What do you do here? This value divided by 3600. Why? Because 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Are you clear? Okay, so finally we get in terms of kilowatt, what is the relation? 1 kilojoule per second, that is equal to, what is that? 1 kilowatt. Are you clear? Okay, so use this relation, finally we get 33.235 kilowatt. Are you clear or not? Okay, this value is equal to amount of heat or capital Q value. Are you clear or not? Okay, thank you for your attention.